How to fix MacBook monitor blue light blinking. If your MacBook monitor is blinking blue light or the screen flashes blue randomly, it is usually related to display resolution or refresh rate conflicts, external monitor issues, GPU, or system glitches. So, first of all, simply start with the easy way, restart your MacBook. So now once restarted, check if the MacBook has been fixed or not. And if it is has not fixed yet, then open any web browser on your device. Then in search address bar, simply type down this link. I'll provide this link in the description box. All you have to do is go through it and hit enter. Then choose your macOS version. Different version has different solutions or fixes for this issue. So make sure you choose the correct version and scroll down and follow these steps, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.